I've just put the laser light on just because I love it. Yeah? Okay, let's move forward with the video. We're going to tell you what that's about. See you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we have an AEG extractor. Cooker extractor, there it is, over our hob. Right, I didn't unbox this and I didn't put it together, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like from on top, and you secure the units together. Right, it's held up by this bracket here, and it's got it written on the front which way it should face. Also, when you're putting this up in the ceiling, you've got to make sure 100% that you're on a beam. Do not hear that? That's plasterboard. Do not screw it to plasterboard because it will come down. The electrics have got to go into there, undo those two screws. Again, another screw at the back there, that should open up, allow you to connect your lead. Here's our lead hanging down, waiting for our electrician to come in. So if you're not qualified in doing these things, leave them alone, okay? As we come down here, on top of here, this outer casing, the inner workings comes up from the inside, like there, and is screwed in just on top of there. Now under here, this circular bit that opens, there's your hinge, you can see. So it's all held on by a magnet just between there and around there. You can see the magnet that holds it together, so like there. Let me try and get the angle, just that silver bit there, that's your magnet. This bit here, once you've put it all up together, and this lid just slides up, see? Twists around and locks up, just like your normal light fitting. No, that one isn't a good example, but yeah, it just comes around, twists, and I think you can see a screw inside there, or is that just a reflection that holds it in place? But once it's all hooked up, wired up and all working, I will show you it again. But in the meantime, remember the flat powers I mentioned earlier? This is it, right? The magnetic bits contacts are there, and they make contact with there and there. Okay, so that goes on like that, just clips on. Just to pull it down, pull it down. Your controls are there, and they are just that. Once you fix that unit, it just plugs straight into there. But also, almost forgot to mention, it comes with your nice little remote control. I've read through the instruction booklet, so you can just have a quick browse through that, and that will tell you everything. If we just grab all of that, push it back up, there you go, clips on, and that's it. Our light and everything, we'll show you that once our electrician's finished with it. So that's about it for now. Okay, if I just give you show you the manual, maybe it'll give you some kind of understanding of what I'm trying to explain. There you go, screwdriver and a spanner there. There. Have I missed a page? There should be a content page I've missed that you need to check. These things always do my head in, that's why I never go through them. Where is it? It's 2 pages, isn't it? There you go, that's all your content. You need to check all of that, make sure you have everything that you're supposed to have before you start your fitting, because you're going to come unstuck if you haven't got something. And there's our instruction. There's the front where I told you earlier on. There's the screws to secure it to hole. Basically, it is all inside here. So take your time, put it together, put it up in the ceiling if you like, but get an electrician to connect it up if you're not confident that you can do it yourself. and stress again, make sure it's on a beam. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so from tradespeople's tips once again, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. Okay, see you soon.